Hello students, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn a chapter from 3rd standard NCERT book Math Magic. The name of the chapter is Tit for Tat. Let's begin. One day Amina met a painter. So what Amina is saying to painter? Can you make my picture? Painter is saying yes, sure, I can charge rupees 200 for the picture. So painter made a picture and he asked Amina, did you like my picture? Did you like my drawing? Then painter showed his picture to Amina, what he drawn on the page. I am showing his drawing, what he drawn on page. You can see. By looking at that picture, Amina said, but this is only half. Where is another half? You have drawn my picture half only. You have not made my picture complete. This is only half. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture. What painter said? Just put a mirror near that half picture. Just put a mirror so you will be able to see whole picture. A complete picture you will be able to see. Now can I have my money? So painter was asking for his money because the charges were decided like rupees 200. But Amina gave only 100 rupees. So what painter said? But this is only half of the money. We have decided 200 rupees. So what Amina said? She also answered in funny way. What she answered? You can just put mirror near that 100 rupees note, so it will make whole 200. By putting a mirror near a note, 100 rupees note, you will be able to see 200 rupees. So that is your money. Ha ha ha. Amina said like that. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only one half of the things. Draw the other half of the pictures. So painter had made different types of pictures, but they are only half of the picture. So you are going to complete the picture. I am also going to complete here picture. Just see. Can we draw another pictures by repeating painter's trick? So can we apply painter's trick here on this worm? Can we make half of the worm and half of the worm would be able to seen by a mirror? No, this is not possible here. What about mug? Mug is also cannot be drawn in half. So if we put a mirror near half of mug, this will not be, we would not be able to see the complete picture of mug. It would be because the two halves of the mug are not similar here, right? So next, flag, Indian flag. So this will not be able to, we would not be able to draw like painter's trick here, right? So draw some similar pictures which will not be able to drawn by painter's trick. Mirror halves. Here some pictures they have shown. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror halves? What they are asking, if you put a mirror on dotted line, will that mirror be able to show the similar half which was half of that picture? Look, first image is showing two similar halves, two mirror halves it is showing. If you put a mirror on that dotted line in first picture, you will be able to see the same image, right? Okay, next, second image is also having two similar mirror halves. The third image is not a similar half, mirror half. It is not showing mirror half. It might be similar half. It might be similar half. वो दोनों सेम भागों में डिवाइड हो सकते हैं, लेकिन वो जैसे उन्होंने दे हैव गिवन द डॉटेड लाइन, वो मिरर हाफ्स नहीं हो सकते. ओके, दिस टू हाफ्स आर नॉट मिरर हाफ्स. द fourth image is mirror halves of each other. The fifth is also mirror half of each other. The sixth image is not mirror halves of each other, because if you put mirror on that dotted line, you will be not able to see the half part of the tree. Next image is of capital B. So if you put dotted line, that is mirror on the dotted line, you will be able to see the mirror half. So you can see the both parts are mirror halves of each other. T, capital T is also here mirror halves. They have made into two mirror halves. The kite-like image, it is in purple color, I think. Yeah, purple color. So these two halves are not mirror halves of each other. The next rectangle is in blue color. That two halves also, those two halves also are not mirror halves of each other, right? Next, there is brown colored heart. The brown color heart is divided into two halves. So these two halves, like when we put mirror on dotted line, these two halves can be seen mirror halves of each other. The capital M, this image is also similar mirror halves. The next image is green triangle. It is also similar, it is also having mirror halves of each other. Next image, there are also mirror halves. Next image, there are not mirror halves of each other, because when you put mirror on that dotted line, you will not be able to see the second part of image. You will see different part. You will see mirror image of the half. You will not be able to see the next part of that image, right? These are not similar mirror halves. Next, the last image is also mirror halves of each other. So basically I am going to put circle over which are not similar mirror halves. I am going to put circle over there, right? So you will be able to see, or you will be able to make them odd man out. Give some more examples. So give your more examples. I am giving my more examples. I am putting two images that are similar mirrors, that are having similar mirror halves, and two images that are not having similar mirror halves. So put your own images also. Using dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into two similar halves? Yeah, we can put into two similar halves, but I'll be trying to put those similar halves like they should be mirror image of each other. So I'll be making those halves like that. Okay, let's do it. Like we have mirror halves in objects and images, there are mirror halves in letters also. So can you guess letters here which are made in mirror halves? The first letter is capital A. The second letter is capital C. The third is capital H, and next one is capital U. Next is capital B, and next is capital X. Using letters we can make words. So these words are here shown in half. HOW, how. WAX, wax. So I'm just completing the words here, the letters here, and I am reading the words. Next I am completing letters and I am reading words. COOKED, cooked. Next, DICE, dice. So I am completing the letters and I am reading words. You got it? Making mask. Making a mask. Now I can teach you how to make mask of cat. So just put a picture of cat on a paper and make the paper completely similar mirror halves. Fold that picture into mirror half, and as the cat is showing on picture, likewise you just go on cutting the cat image by scissors. You can make different types of masks. Children, we have completed this chapter, so we will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Team Ayanch looks forward to have you on board. Thank you. See you soon. Take care.